All right, welcome back. My name is Jason and I build things completely out of duct tape. So right now we're midway through our Klingon Bird of Prey build. And I'm working on this section right here to get the frame right, and then we'll be able to start skinning this thing soon. And that's about as close as I'm going to get to it. Alright, there, when I put the duct tape on, have a nice clean edge to go to. Okay, there's a firm wall to tape against. A lot of the details probably on top of the sheet back here. Because I think I want the guns in before I add the sheet, because then I can stabilize them a bit better and cover up the defects. Get a drop of about 45 millimeters. Now I'm just going to take off the width of a rod. Yeah, right now I'm just building down these down supports. This rod will be bent to become the top blaster, and I'll run another one on the bottom to become the bottom. Starting on a quick brace here. This piece is definitely going to need it. Quick one piece to kind of match. Probably the easiest to add a little bit of green to these before I get too far in. Gotta brace everything. These things torque in unexpected ways. Alright, now tack this piece in real good. Alright, so I'm just bending it to get a nice slope here. Cut another piece at the same time for the other side so I can kind of know that they fit. Not quite going as easy as I thought it would. Alright, let's try laying a rod on its side and see how that works for a spacer. Suppose that looks good enough. Alright, let's secure it down a little bit better and we'll move on. I don't think there's much else for me to do to the body besides skin it. I think I've got all my basic details in. Well, that added quite a bit of weight to the wings. Just debating on if I should make my skin thickness as thick as I usually do on my models, which is 4 layers thick of gray, or do it lighter on this one. This is a model at first, so let's go with lighter. Just lots of small cuts back and forth, making sure I get a nice good snug fit. And when I did the Star Destroyer, when I put on the underside, I also threaded it through, but I pulled up too much on the bottom sheet, so you can kind of really see the wrinkles on the bottom. I'm just trying to be careful and not bend the sheet that much. All right, one part of the ring done, a bunch more to go. All right, that's starting to come along. Weight alone added quite a bit of weight. All right, let's take a break here and catch you on the next one.